In this video, I will show how to fix the issue package javax.servlet does not exist in Apache Tomcat 10 server when compiling a Java servlet class. I am using Apache Tomcat 10 server. I have a class named myservlet.java and also import some packages. Here you will see some packages. Import javax.servlet exception and several packages. javax package used in Tomcat 9, but Tomcat 10 uses Jakarta package. So I am going to compile this Java class. Java C my servlet.java file and dash class path location home username Apache Tomcat 10 library and then servlet API .jar. Hit enter and you will see javax.servlet doesn't exist. So we have to change javax to Jakarta. So change javax with Jakarta. Jakarta okay. Now save this file and open terminal and reapply this command and you will see this command will create a myservlet.class file. Okay, if you like this video, give a like for this video and share your feelings by comments. Thank you so much for watching this video.